So I'm here cutting down my trees in the backyard, and with the chainsaw. So it wasn't cutting as good, and I need to replace the chainsaw, the chain. And I bought this, the Oregon. (16" for the 16" for the Bauer, and it was a brand new chainsaw, but it didn't cut. And so what I did is I saw like it's brand new. How come it's not cutting? So I placed it the wrong way. So I flipped it. So let's see how it works. Just the old chain right here. Okay, so put it on. Let's see how it works. Wow, it works great. My lesson is probably I probably didn't even need to buy a new chain. Probably just put it the wrong way. But thanks for watching. Peace.